Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the dictation, legal dictation at the speed of near about 80 WPM for the aspirants who are preparing for subordinate court of Punjab and Haryana. Start. The High Court, therefore, having regard to the nature of the offence and the fact that parties have amicably settled their dispute and the victim has willingly consented to the nullification of criminal proceedings, can quash such proceedings in exercise of its inherent powers under section 482 CRPC, even if the offences are non-compoundable, full stop. The High Court can indubitably evaluate the consequential effects of the offence beyond the body of an individual and thereafter adopt a pragmatic approach, to ensure that the felony, even if goes unpunished, does not tinker with or paralyze the very object of the administration of criminal justice system, full stop. It appears to us those criminal proceedings involving non-heinous offences or where the offences are predominantly of a private nature, can be annulled irrespective of the fact that trial has already been concluded or appeal stands dismissed against conviction, full stop. Handing out punishment is not the sole form of delivery system, full stop. Societal method of applying laws evenly is always subject to lawful exceptions, full stop. It goes without saying, that the cases where compromise is struck post conviction, the High Court ought to exercise such discretion with rectitude, keeping in view the circumstances surrounding the incident, the fashion in which the compromise has been arrived at, and with due regard to the nature and seriousness of the offence, besides the conduct of the accused before and after the incident, full stop. The touchstone for exercising the extraordinary power under section 482 CRPC would be to secure the ends of justice, full stop. There can be authenticity of this order oblique judgment. High Court, Sector 1, Chandigarh. No hard and fast line constricting the power of the High Court to do substantial justice, full stop. A restrictive construction of inherent powers under section 482 CRPC may lead to rigid or specious justice, which in the given facts and circumstances of a case, may rather lead to grave injustice, full stop. On the other hand, in cases where heinous offences have been proved against perpetrators, no such benefit ought to be extended as cautiously observed by this court, full stop. In other words, grave or serious offences or offences which involve moral turpitude or have a harmful effect on the social and moral fabric of the society or involve matters concerning public policy cannot be construed between two individuals or groups only for such offences have the potential to impact the society at large, full stop and over. So ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी फॉर द एस्पायरेंट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर पंजाब एंड हरियाणा सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट एग्जाम। फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ ही इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा। एंड इफ़ यू लाइक द डिक्टेशन, like the video, and if you want more dictation like this, subscribe our channel. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.